Hey folks, this is Ryan Dare with Volkswagen of Marion coming to you with this week's Deal of the Week. This week we have a 2016 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible Denim Edition, which is limited for this year. MSRP on the vehicle is $27,160, but we're going to offer a $1,000 discount on the vehicle this week. What sets it apart from the other Beetle convertibles we have in inventory is the two-tone leatherette seating surface with the denim fabric. As you can see, there's also accents on the back of the seats as well. Even the roof is wrapped in the denim fabric. If you'd like to take a test drive in this vehicle, we're located across from the airport on Route 13.